Hello. In this video, I'll demonstrate ATOMIQ support for IBM AS400 applications and show how organizations can analyze and understand RPG-based systems as part of their modernization journey. Alongside our existing support for mainframe ZOS, ATOMIQ now also supports IBM environments. Both platforms can be enabled together, but for this demonstration, we'll focus on IBM. To connect, we simply provide the IBM server details and credentials. For database analysis, we also specify the default library that contains the application's database objects and source files. The database connection reuses the same server and authentication settings, making configuration quick and straightforward. Let's start by creating a new workspace. I'll name it AS400-RPG-LE. When a workspace is created, it automatically inherits the global ATOMIQ configuration, while still allowing workspace-specific customization when needed. The workspace also includes AI capabilities that help generate documentation and answer questions about the application we'll be analyzing. The first step is importing the application assets. We can import directly from the IBM system or upload source files from a local machine. In this demo, we'll import directly from IBM using the card demo library, which contains both RPGLE and DDS sources. I'll import all RPGLE programs, including shared copybooks that are referenced throughout the application. We'll also import the DDS sources, including physical files, logical files, and display files that define the application's green screens. ATOMIQ retrieves the source code, analyzes the relationships between all of these assets, and automatically builds a connected view of the application, making it easy to understand how everything fits together. While the import is running, we can monitor its progress. Once complete, we'll receive a summary showing the imported assets, along with any missing dependencies that still need to be resolved. In this example, a few reference sources are located outside the selected library, so I'll import them from the local file system to complete the application model. Once the import is complete, ATOMIQ organizes the application into logical views, including programs, shared models generated from copybooks, screen definitions, and database objects. For example, we can open a display file to view the green screen layout alongside its original DDS source, making it easy to connect the user interface with the underlying implementation. Database objects are also available for exploration. We can inspect both physical and logical files, view their source definitions, and use AI to automatically generate clear business documentation explaining their purpose and relationships. ATOMIQ also visualizes dependencies between logical and physical files, helping teams understand how data is organized across the application. Physical files are linked directly to the database view, where ATOMIQ retrieves metadata such as columns, data types, and field definitions directly from IBM. This creates a complete picture of how programs interact with the underlying database and which application components rely on each data object. We can also use the built-in AI assistant to ask questions in natural language, such as which programs depend on a particular file. The responses include clickable links that take us directly to the relevant artifacts. Another powerful capability is visualizing the application's execution flow. We can see how a program interacts with database objects, business logic, and green screens, all connected back to the exact locations in the source code. This makes it much easier to understand the end-to-end behavior of the application and quickly navigate between related components. We can drill into screen definitions, explore the fields they use, view the original DDS source, and even generate AI-powered documentation for the screen itself. Together, these capabilities provide a complete understanding of the application, helping teams accelerate analysis, reduce risk, and prepare for modernization initiatives. Thanks for watching. For more information about OpenLegacy products and modernization stories, be sure to check out our YouTube channel.